Okay, here we go. Rachel was too smart. She figured out it's a trick, so she called over the guys to come help her. Here we go. Oh, John's in his church clothes still.
Who's the other church person? Oh, that's John.
Oh.
See, look how tough this is. How is she gonna lie?
Yeah, we got it. The guys are like, oh, Rachel, we'll show you how to do it. Okay.
Yeah. This is turning out to be funnier than we thought. Oh, yes! She's gonna laugh. Don't you think she'll laugh? She's gonna be. Well, I would be laughing anyway. You know what I mean? Dave is laughing.
Here he comes, here he comes. What's that?
Oh my gosh, funny.
Oh, that's huge.
Oh, and this. Okay, John's turn. John's turn.
Now he's gonna try again.
We're gonna have to edit this video with our talking because I have no idea what's coming out of our mouths.
Oh, look, hey, hold on myself.
Hold my phone. This is getting serious.
Maybe they're gonna try to move the boat. No way. It has so
It would
much
coast
stuff.
all the way down the driveway and kill someone.
Uh-oh, they hit their car.
Run, Taylor, put your mind into it. Almost. Oh, but your leg's too heavy.
You're like a mouse.
Oh, here goes John.
I know.
I don't know if Rachel knows. I know, how much
She's
more
got a
fun is
perfect
that she's
bird's eye.
out there?
That's her reward. Come on, Mom. Oh, nice curve.
Oh.
I'm not sure about
No,
that.
I think your foot hit it.
That didn't work.
Oh, right.
What did you call that? Was close. Okay,
I thought he was a
okay,
football
we're gonna
player.
end with her doing it though, right?
Yep.
Oh.
As soon as she does.
Look, he got in the car.
He's moving that huge.
Taylor opened the car.
But I have to close her.
I know. That was great.
Hey, I think this is
What's happening?
funny.
Huh? Is he coming?
She was way better than that.
Oh,
Like
yeah.
she hurdled good.
Rachel,
She's
don't
practiced.
let them do it for a long time.
But she's gonna have to do it in front of them. That's
Should I
not very
text
good.
her?
No, because they'll see
Why?
it.
Let's see that she's got her mind on something
Yeah, don't
else.
do it. Maybe after.
Come on, John. You're a football player. You have to do drills, jumping hurdles all the time.
Taylor is too.
Oh, yeah.
His is more like break
He's
it
like a
around.
lineman. He should just run straight through the door.
You're like a cat.
Meow.
That is a horrible.
That was probably the worst approach I've seen all day.
Oh, look.
That one was horrible.
Oh, look at Taylor with his swagger there. Oh, do it now.
He gave his phone to John.
We had
Now
the
you hold my
beep
phone.
beep on the tape.
We're gonna have
Come on, buddy. Jump, jump, jump. You got
We're gonna put the
it.
video
Oh, yeah.
to
Let's go.
pieces.
Oh, what? Oh.
What was that?
That was a rule. He watched
gotta hear this.
Ocean's 12 or
I think Rachel's texting you or something now. Oh, that was good.
Did you tell her to do it last?
Yes.
Okay, good.
She knows.
How many times is she gonna make him
fell.
do it?
Scoop, I didn't hear him.
Oh my gosh. I like Taylor. Taylor's awesome.
Oh, try it. Rachel, why don't you do it?
No, let them keep going as long as they want.
Oh yeah, she texted me.
I saw her do it.
When?
When you feel like whenever the time is right.
Not yet.
No, tell her. You gotta fill them out. They're gonna get ticked.
Tell her on the second time. She's got to do it once.
I'll just
And not get
yeah,
it.
I'll text her when we went. Want her to.
Or did you already put not yet?
Oh, John's looking around the
Just
corner.
say you choose.
Look, here goes John.
Yeah, just say you choose.
Uh-oh.
Oh,
They're
they're
getting
the dog
smart.
door.
Tell her to do
You
it
know-
now.
Say you do it now. Now. Say now.
Oh crap. No, I put can do it now! Exclamation mark. Oh shit! Because they're
Oh,
all
I'm gonna go through the doggy door.
No, Rachel, don't let that.
This is.
But you can't
Oh
let
well,
it back
still
up.
funny. Think of that rule we got.
Yeah, that was good. That was a good roll.
Alright. Okay, here they come. Good. Okay. Oh,
We're
she's doing it.
We're walking
We're letting
back.
her do it. You know what? We're letting her succeed.
Did you say now?
Yeah.
No,
She's
let
got
her
it.
do it twice.
She doesn't know that.
Twice.
Yeah, you have to
Yeah.
can only do it
She
once.
doesn't know. She's,
They'll want to.
we're gonna let her do it.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Zoom in on this one. Oh, they're like, what the heck?
Oh my gosh.
That's awesome!
Hey, hold
Look
still.
at their faces!
Hold still, they're coming this way.
Don't move.
Don't move. Shoot, I think they see us.
No,
No, they don't. I saw them look up.
So.
Oh, that was so fantastic.
That was amazing.
Rachel's a freaking champ.
Dang, I got this pillar in front of me. I can't see him.
That's sweet. They are like,
Oh, wow. Good job, Rach.
too bad we don't have a
That was
little mic
awesome.
in their car. They're probably gonna be like, what the heck? How did she get it?
Yeah. Okay, we're done for today. It's
Yeah,
dark.
I agree. That was sweet.
That was good.
One more person.
It's dark.
It's
and
too dark.
I'm going nuts.
Yeah,
We
it's-
could actually go take the kids back home, I'm sure. If you guys want.
Thanks, guys.
Tell her thank you so much. That was awesome.
Yeah, text her to say